What's up, you guys? I hope you are well. I am in a very good mood. So, my mom and sister are taking me out on a weekend getaway. It's a surprise. I don't know where we're going, but we're about to find out. So your girl is packing and getting ready, planning my outfits. I'm not sure if I want to take makeup because also it's very hot, but I think I'll probably just want like an eyebrow, lashes, and some lips, and maybe just conceal, these pimples that came with my birthday. Actually, with November, they just came all of a sudden. So let me show you guys quickly what I'm packing, and then we will hit the road. So these are my toiletries. Probably should take like some brushes, not all of them. Just as a blender. I think I'll take my Lancome perfume. I wanted to take my Chanel one, but I don't know, maybe, you know what, it's a special weekend. And then this side, it's my hair things, my mousse, toothbrush. I need to wash these quickly. These are the shoes I'm gonna take. I think we are good to go. This is my suitcase, my outfits. I was busy playing music, but the Wi-Fi is bugging up here. Outfits. Take my pajamas, charger, some socks in case it's cold. I have a jacket, I have a sweater, I have that jean jacket. Finally done packing. I'll go shoo. Yeah. I collect it too, but I just remembered that I actually bought some sponges, so I don't have to wash any, so that's great. So I'm just gonna take 2 of these, put them on my bag, and we are good to go. I really hope this is like not a prank on me. For some reason I feel like I'm being pranked. And then my sister's just gonna say, yeah, it's a weekend at my house. Yo guys, I'll be so mad. I will be so touched. Yo guys, what if I'm not going anyway? Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna see. If this video goes up, it wasn't a prank, it was real. If you never see this video, then they lied to me. Hey guys, let's go and see what's happening.
You still are.
Oh my god!
How do you feel? I'm videoing.
It's a proper prank.
It's a prank. It's a proper prank.
Hey guys, we have just arrived at our venue. Boy, do I have a story for you guys. Maybe I'll tell you tomorrow morning, but for now, I just want to give you guys a quick room, or not a room tour. We're staying at a cottage, so I want to show you guys the cottage, and I'll show you a little bit outside tomorrow when there's a bit of sunlight. So let's go through the cottage. So when you walk in, there's this little dining area. It is so cute. And then we have the TV. And then we have the kitchen. Very, very nice. So this is like the coffee and tea area. We have microwave. Then there's some spices and stuff. Probably won't use their stuff. Then we have our crockery in here. We took out our groceries already. Okay, at least they give us some soap and things to wash the dishes with. Cutlery. Stove, salpeta kuyo, and imbiza. And then in the fridge, just some of the stuff that was bought. And actually the paintings that you guys see in this room is by, I think it's the owner, if I remember correctly. Then you go into the room. So beautiful. How cute is this? I love it. So nice. And I love the paintings. It's just stunning. And then we have, there I am. And then you have a shower, a little sink area, and toilet. So guys, that is the room tour. Guys, I have a story for you guys, but I'm gonna tell you guys tomorrow. Just want to settle in, relax, and have a good time. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So I just wanted to take you through the path leading to the cottage. Very cute entrance. And they have a little sitting area as well as there. But there's a lot of spider webs there, so probably won't chill here, but it's very nice. That's the bedroom. Good morning, or rather good afternoon, guys. So it's been such a nice morning. We were just chilling, then we had breakfast as you guys saw, and then we took a walk. I also managed to get some footage of that, so that was really nice. So I just got showered, did a little cute face beat, tried to somewhat straighten this hair, and yeah, so actually I want to tell you guys the story of how I'm here, who I'm here with. That's the most important. So as I said in the beginning of the vlog, my sister had planned this weekend away for us with my sister, my younger sister, and her child, my niece and my mom. So as we headed there, something is telling me like, no, something does not feel right. And I thought I was getting pranked, but I was getting pranked in a good way. So what happened was, I got to my sister's house, they're like, yo, we already packed waiting for you. And then my boyfriend pops up and everyone's just like, surprise! And I see he has balloons and he has flowers for me. I was just like, wow, what is happening? And so we're not going anywhere with my family. I'm actually going with my man. He booked out a place for us for the weekend, which is where we are right now. So that's how everything happened. I was just like, what? You have to tell me everything. Like, how did you plan this? How did you speak to my mom and my sister? Like, what is happening? So yeah, they planned this whole thing, guys, for like a few weeks now, and here I am thinking it's a girls' weekend away. So yeah, basically that's what happened. But I was telling him, I was like, actually on my way to my sister's house, I had like this crazy scenario that actually you are the one surprising me and you had planned this whole thing, and I'm actually not going away with my family. But something was like, nah dude, that's too radical. Like, why would you do that? Or I just like romantic things, and I was just trying to romanticize something that wasn't even there, only to find out God was telling me something. Okay, so I was surprised, but like not entirely surprised, because I kind of had a feeling about it, which was weird. But yeah, just a gift that I have. So yo guys, I was so happy yesterday. Like, honestly, if it was probably that time of the month, I would have cried because I'm so emotional. But I'm surprised that I actually didn't cry. Or maybe it's because I kind of knew in a way deep down. But yeah, that's what happened. And yo, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy. And it's so beautiful out here. And I'm a bit speechless still. I don't have words. I keep replaying the whole scenario in my mind. What happened yesterday? It was amazing. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you to everyone who planned it. You guys know who you are. Thank you, thank you. I am having so much fun, but also it's very nice. It's chilled. It's relaxed. I mean, it is a bit hot, but nothing too crazy. So he's just showering right now, and we're gonna go to the shops quickly to get a few things. I think probably just like rolls, because we have everything else that we need. And then when we come back, we're gonna go for a swim, because that was like one thing that I wanted to do. I'm like, oh, I hope there's a swimming pool where we're going, so at least there is a place to swim. And then we're gonna have a braai later on, which is gonna be really nice. So we're just gonna feast and have a lot of fun. So yeah, that's us for the day. So I'm gonna take you guys along, of course, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this vlog.
I'm calling, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with, yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses.
We are back from the shops. Oh, I'm so tired. It is so hot. So now we're going to make lunch. Then we're gonna leave it out, and then we're gonna go and have a swim. Then we're gonna come back and eat after swimming, because apparently you get cramps if you eat before swimming. I don't know, I cannot confirm nor deny, but so we'll eat afterwards. I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. So it's just this open dress, and I'm wearing some tights. I'm wearing a bralette. Have some jewelry. Hair done. Face done. And then I'm wearing my babe Sam at the moment. So cute. So yeah, this is me. Swimsuits on. Ready to go and swear. Yeah.
Now I'm deceased, and this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love. So I switch my girls around like 3L Dub.
You can do it, boo boo. Yeah, just sabar na. Sabar man. Yazal. You just scared because it's cold. Yeah. You just gotta do it. You just gotta get in. But like once you're in, it's really nice and all.
She's lying.
I'm not lying. So we are making some rib burgers. These are our ribs. Then we have the mushrooms. We have some avo, our buns, and my homemade perinade sauce. So I take this Nando's hot sauce and with some mayonnaise. My man taught me that, so yeah. And then later on we're gonna have a braai. So we'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. Hope you are well. A girl is happy. Don't not be me. It's been a good weekend. So yeah, checkout is at 11. So I think now it's like 1:45, and we've packed everything. As you saw, we had breakfast, and yeah, it was just my suitcase left that needed to get into the car, and we are off. We are good to go. It's been great. It's been beautiful. Hey guys, I am finally home. Well, actually I got home like probably 5-6 hours ago, but we were just chilling. Sort of had like a mini picnic because there was still some food that we had not eaten, so we decided to do that. Phew, it's so hot in here. But this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know if you guys want to see more travel vlogs. That's something we can do. I really want to start doing more of those, especially next year. Our subscriber for the week goes to Roomby D. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't done the same, please click the red button over here, down below, or is it there? I can't even remember. And it is free of charge. You don't have to pay for anything. Please leave me a comment, and I love you guys so much. May your day be ever flawless as your makeup. Mwah.